Hello everyone, I'm here with another layout, this time of my nephew with Lola. And this is yet again the November 2017 hip kit. My background is American Crafts Sweater Weather. Pen. Oh, you are on my paper. Called Cozy. And again, Patton in the way, as he is right now, me doing my voiceovers. He's still in. Patton, you want to go lay right here? I'm so sorry. He is, oh, such a pain when I try to scrapbook. Always has to lay on my stuff, I kid you not. He'll come over and start scratching at my papers, and I'm like, oh, no, hurry up and move what I need, because that's his sign he's going to get comfortable. Right, Panton? Alright, so I'm using more cards that are cut from the crepe paper Snow and Cocoa, called Hot Cocoa, from the 2016 kit. He's going to go get some food. So I'm using some photo mats, which are scraps from the November 2016 kit. That floral strip is a branding strip. If they have branding strips have prints on the on them, they make for good layering pieces. All right, and now those are down. So now I'm going to pull my die cuts, which are the Hip Kit Club's exclusive products. Oh my gosh, and Patton came back and laid on my paper. I hope he isn't annoying you guys. I just kind of went with it because he's taking the only time I can scrapbook away from me. And then I wanted to do the snowflakes in a diagonal pattern. All right, you two. And yeah. So I'm just figuring out how to embellish the page. He's playing with something. I don't know what he's doing. Besides being a pain. Oh boy. And you see, I just work around the cat. So I think now I'm stuck him in my lap to get him to cuddle. And, or I stuck him behind me, one of the two, to lay in the window. A lot of times I can get rid of him if I open up my scrapbook room window. And here he comes. Here, Pat, you want my lap? Come here. Nope. I don't know why he's taken to laying over there by my computer. I hate it. Instead of laying into his window, he lays over here on my laptop. Alright, so here are the puppy stickers from Pink Fresh Studio. Do not step on my laptop, Patton. Can you come and lay right here? Alright. Once I get those puppy stickers down, I do my title. And I'm going to use some word phrase stickers, which they're Hip Kit Club's exclusive products. And the puppy stickers are Pink Fresh Studio December Days. Oh, okay. He lays right by my laptop and he hits buttons, especially when I'm trying to record. Okay, anyway. So now I'm going to work on my title, which is going to be Winter Fun with Lola. So winter is going to be those glitter stickers. It's going to be American Crafts doll stickers is what they are. And then Fun with Lola is going to be these stickers, which are a Hip Kit Club's exclusive product that came in this kit or the other kit, I don't know. My gosh, he's got his TV up really high. And once I get my title down, that completes this layout, and so I will go ahead and let you finish watching, and when I have more done, I will be back with those. Bye guys.